580 KIDO presents.
CapEd is just thrilled to be a part of this program. It's a great benefit to the educational community.
Your community voice.
Every morning.
Kevin Miller.
Thanks for this opportunity. You're going to get to talk to some teachers, some parents, some kids, so it should be an exciting morning.
On Idaho's talk station, 580 KIDO.
And good morning, Kevin Miller in the morning, promoting our schools, securing our future, part of Kevin in the Community. We want to thank all of you for joining us. We are here at the University of Idaho, Boise campus. It has been a while since we've been here. Great to be back. Joining us now, Dr. Peter Goodwin, Director of Center for Eco-Hydraulics Research. Certainly we could go on and on about what he's doing. Presidential Professor of Civil Engineering. Dr. Goodwin, thank you for joining us.
Good morning, Kevin. Thanks for having me.
So let's talk a little bit about your work here at the University of Idaho. A lot of people see this prestigious building. We have a lot of vandals that listen to 580 KIDO, certainly a lot of vandals in the state. So what do you do here, sir?
Well, actually, this building, the Water Center, is quite a unique facility. As you know, it houses federal agencies working on water research. It houses our Department of Water Resources. And, of course, the University of Idaho is here with some of our water programs.
Time now, once again, for our favorite profession to talk about, the lawyers. Lee Dillon joining us, Associate Dean for the Boise Programs and Small Business Legal Clinic Director here at the University of Idaho, Boise campus. Kevin Miller at 580 KIDO. Mr. Dillon, thank you for joining us.
Thanks, Kevin. Appreciate being here.
You know, I'm thinking I'm 48. I haven't been in school for 35 years. I'm thinking now is the time to go back. How many people do you get that have this opinion? Maybe they've watched TV too much, or they just have this idea of going to law school all the time?
Most of our students tend to be pretty traditional students coming in after their undergraduate career, but we do have a number that, like you say, they're 48, they decide they want to do something else in life. Maybe they've been in a company where they've handled human resource matters or others and dealing with the law and different aspects and want to get the law degree. So we do have those students in, and they make great students.
We do appreciate the University of Idaho. Here we are, Kevin in the Community. Thank you to our great friends that make that happen here. Mike Satz joining us, Executive Officer at the University of Idaho, Boise, and Southwest Region. Mr. Satz, thank you for joining us.
I am happy to be here. Thanks for coming to our campus.
So, you know, we were talking off the air. It's like a hidden gem here in the Treasure Valley. You have a lot of vandals that went to the main campus. And, you know, you see the license plates, you see people being a proud alumni of the institution, and then you see the building downtown, and you wonder what's going on here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So what's happening?
Yeah, so, you know, we have a lot of things that we do down here. In addition to our educational mission, which is, you know, a lot of graduate programs, and then there's a few undergraduate programs or undergraduate things that happen here, but mostly it's graduate work. Then we do a lot of economic development. We also do work in the area of civic outreach. We partner with a lot of nonprofits in the region, and then we also do support. So, for example, we have a food technology support, which we do through an organization called Tech Help. And Tech Help is really a statewide organization. All the major universities participate in it, but we're the university that really focuses on the food technology support side of it. And so those are all the different things that we do here in this building. But then also in the Treasure Valley, we've got a large footprint in the Treasure Valley.
Kristen Tolman joining us now. Has her degree in psychology, and you're getting ready to graduate with your degree in?
Master of Education.
Master of Education.
Yep.
So we'll have you speak closer to the mic if that's okay.
I'm pretty new at this.
Oh, so am I. So psychology, I've been told I have a lot of issues, so could we use this as a therapy session? I mean...
Absolutely. Like I said, we have 5 minutes, so I think I can solve all your problems.
I see. So tell us a little bit about your experience here at the University of Idaho.
I have had an amazing experience at the University of Idaho. My degree is in counseling, Master of Education in counseling, and it's a really small program. There's maybe 10 of us down here in Boise and 10 of us in Coeur d'Alene that video conference together. Our major professor is down here, and it's a really hands-on program, a lot of one-on-one work with our professor. It's a great program.
Indeed, and when you graduate, what will you be doing? What are you looking at doing?
I'll actually end up with 2 licenses, a certified rehab counselor and a licensed professional counselor.
And where are you going to put those to use. Any thoughts on that?
I'm really hoping to put them to use. I work right now.
Aren't we all?
Right.
Yes.
I work right now for the state at the Idaho Division of Vocational Rehabilitation. I work with the juvenile corrections population and work to transition them into the workforce.